Alright, in this video we're going to create a template for creating our new Instagram posts. So for that, firstly we're going to need to install a package called Wire Elements, which is going to help us create models for our Livewire, such that when you click here on the left, we can simply open up a model that we can use to create our new Instagram post. So for that, let's go to our search here. Let's search for Wire Elements Livewire. Yes, this one, Wire Elements Pro, but preferably go to the GitHub URL down below this one, Wire Elements model. Right in here, you can see we have the one compatible with Livewire version 3 at the moment, which is good for us. So we can just skip this upgrade and then go here, installation. So for the installation, we can just simply copy this, composer require Wire Elements model. In here, let's open a new terminal interface, paste the command here, click enter. Okay, while that is installing, we can go back to the website. In here you can see we have to add the Livewire directive in our layout. So let's copy this one, add Livewire, Wire Elements model. In here, this is actually done installing, so we'll come back to this later. For now, let's open our app. In here in the layouts, let's close this. Here down below in the body, let's paste that. Alright, next what we have to do is we have to publish this configuration for the views. Let's publish the model because we're going to edit it later. Go back, open the terminal again, paste this. Alright, now it has been published where, if you check here in our resources, views and vendor, we have this wire model which is published now, and then I'm going to work on that later. So after doing that, next we can now go to creating our model. So first let's create our model that we're going to use for creating our new post. So here in the terminal, let's type php artisan make livewire post dot create. Click enter. Right, our Livewire component is created, and now let's close this. Let's just close everything for now, close all. Let's open our post. So let's open our create, this one. Now this one, it extends the Livewire component, which is just an actual Livewire component, but now we're gonna change this extends to something like this model component, this one, which is coming from Livewire UI. Because if you don't, it's gonna give you an error. So here, let's extend that. Let's make sure we import it. In here, also copy this, use Livewire UI here, just down below. Awesome. Now you can see we have this here. Don't worry about the error. This is just the formatting error, but it's actually fine if you see this red line. Alright, next, in order to open our model, we can simply, let's just get this outside of Livewire component, the Livewire, copy this, the first one, and then since if you look at our Instagram here, we're going to open the create post from the left side here in the side menu. So let's go and put this Livewire inside there. Here, if we go back here, go to the sidebar in the layout, and then here just go to the bottom. Here come to where it says create. Right, in here you can just place this inside the div. Let's add that Livewire trigger inside here, but let's go back to Wire Elements Pro. Let's just copy the attribute inside here on click, not the whole button. So if we go on click, it's going to dispatch a Livewire event, open model, and then our Livewire is located where? In our Livewire post dot create. Alright, now if we open our create there, let's just add here one thing like hello, hopefully to show something. Let's just refresh all this. Right, now if I click on the left, you see we have this hello right here, which is working successfully. So I think that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm now going to work on designing this actual component one by one. So see you in the next video.